Ready tayo ngayon guys kasi si Shun on the way na yata ngayon kasi half day lang siya ngayon sa work niya. And then pupunta kami ng Bari kasi nung pumunta kami ni Shun, ng mama niya kahapon at daddy niya, nakikita ko na mas maraming fresh na kuan mga karne nila doon tsaka yung mga fish. Lahat ng klase ng karne mas gusto ko doon kasi malinis. Nung pumunta kami kahapon ng mami at daddy niya kasi pangalawang bisis ko na yun, tas today pangtatlong bisis ko na pumunta doon. Antayin ko na lang si Shun, guys, maya. It's not like in the Philippines.
No.
Tingnan paano yung gagawin. So bumalik.
Have you got your purse on you?
Yeah.
Get some money.
How much?
What have you got? 30 quid.
30 quid. Okay. Ang naglagay. Ganun pala sa UK, no? Sa Philippines, stop ka lang, tapos sila lang yung mag-gas. Pero dito iba, guys. Kayo yung mag-gas. Tapos pinapalit niyo sa akin yung binili ko kahapon na bagong kot. Iba pala dito, no? Hindi naman ilalabhan yung mga pamba, yung mga kot pag nabili mo sa mga sa mga proper shop. Hindi nila palabhan. Diretso na suot. Pero walang amoy, guys. Hindi katulad sa atin na amoy bago dito. Wala kang maamoy yung parang lang, normal. Ang ganda siya kasi warm. Sa pinapalitan ko daw yung suot, hindi ko naman kailangan kasi hindi ko malamig masyado. Let's go to Bari. Punta tayo sa Bari, guys. Doon bibili ng karne namin. Tapos strawberry, ang sarap ng strawberry doon sa Bullfish. Hindi ako nakapag-video kahapon sa boat share. Pakita ko sa inyo. You know what? I see, I forgot to send it to the group of our group chat because I see a store there yesterday and Bora, like, said Kaspas dessert. Kaspa is like a dandruff, Kaspas dessert. So, I just take a picture. I forgot to send. I'm gonna send it later to them. Who want a Kaspa dessert? Some shops are funny name. Like a pipis. What's that pipis?
Pepper's chicken.
Pipis chicken.
The what?
The windmill there in the mountain. Where are we now, love?
This is Bury.
This is Bari. Okay. Ganda dyan, guys. It's a nice weather for a change. Machi-machi pala kami yun, no? Machi-machi. Red. I like the weather today. It's not cold.
What?
It's not cold. Dito guys, papunta sa market. It's a nice weather. May music. Meron tayong 4 na items dito. Ito try. So ito yung ating size 8. Parang maganda siya, guys. Did you see a lot of people?
The what?
There, a lot of people.
Where?
There.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's where we going.
The family pack.
30
Yeah.
pound.
So you get 2 fresh chicken breasts,
Okay.
4 pork steaks,
Okay.
400 grams of steak mince.
Yeah. 4 stick. Come on here. Is
4
that all?
steak kebabs, spicy or mint, 12
Wow.
Italian
A sheet of
meatballs,
meat is spare
a
ribs.
pack of bacon or 2 gammon steaks, a sheet of meaty spare ribs, a pack of butcher's choice sausage, tray marinated chicken breast strips,
We go that one.
4 lean steak burgers. Let's have a look, see if there's something else.
The other one.
This one's better.
How much is that?
45.
35.
So
Two
you
tender.
get 2 sirloin steaks.
Yeah, that one guys.
2, I can't read it.
2 tender rump steaks.
4 chicken breasts.
You know what? They don't have that yesterday.
What?
That one. That offer. They don't have that yesterday.
Put it Saturday.
So ang gabing offer pero 30. There's also 120 pounds, 65. The big one, 100 pounds. But we can't carry that. We just go for that 45.
Lamb chops. See, my mum wanted lamb chops, didn't
That's the one that she said
Yeah.
yesterday, the 20 pounds for a tray. Fishy. Yeah?
Oh, you just got to check, pick them up and look at them, make sure they're not mouldy.
Ito yung nakita ko kahapon na strawberry,
2 for 4
guys. 2 for 4 pound.
Yeah. Oh,
Can you check for me, love? This one. I love strawberry.
yeah, they look alright.
Ah, that's the cherries.
I mean cherries.
Huh?
I mean cherries.
Yeah.
What else are you going to get?
This one look which is better.
Are you going to eat them all?
No, just only one.
You only want one?
Yeah, I'm just choosing the best. Is this good? They got
Want a
big.
giant strawberry?
Yeah, I
like
want a
that?
giant.
Yeah, they look alright.
Yeah, we get that one. And I'm gonna go to the chili.
Get a, there must be a basket.
Ito yung kanilang guys dito mga gulay. Ha? Okay. Gonna get some chili.
Thank you. Have a nice day. I'll go do it. So if you tip her,
Meron silang loya ang laki. We're gonna get some of this, right?
Yeah, ginger.
Just this one.
how much you
Like that. And chili.
Fresh turmeric.
You want this one? How much is this? No, we don't need that. Just garlic lang.
Garlic?
Yeah, garlic. Para lang pampahayang sa atong suka. Size or smaller?
Well, you got jerseys. Or you got them.
We get Mom, we get this yesterday with Mom.
You got them yesterday.
Yeah, this
Oh, they were
one.
nice.
This
Jerseys.
okay.
Get a bag.
A bag. Okay, a bag. Mga baby potato. I only choose the clean one. Huh? Do you like that?
Yeah.
That's better.
Carrots.
I can see a lot of carrots yesterday. Is it free?
Yeah, try.
I'm scared, Manoy. Ano gusto niyo ko ipatry ng black food?
Not like it. Eh?
I'm just working with it. It's like him of the blood pig. Yeah, it's okay.
Yummy. Yummy.
I can manage to eat that with a sauce. With a sauce, but I think I can eat that with a sauce as well.
No, you have it with mustard.
Mustard.
Yeah.
Okay. Is she Filipino? So, sabi niya
Saying
the
hi,
hello. I just smile at her.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think she's a Filipino.
Yeah. You got anything to eat or drink?
I want a drink after that.
Cakes, right?
I don't know what it is.
What?
What is the nicest there? Kipling. What is this lab? It's like
Apple pies.
apple pies.
Apple pies.
I'm gonna try digestives.
No?
This one maybe I like. I'm not trying this
No.
apple pie. No, it's no. Okay. What about this one?
Jaffa cakes.
I don't know. I've not tried it yet.
Get proper ones.
Get proper ones. Okay, we just get a Coke then.
Okay, £1.
Thank you. Para mahugas yung black pudding sa sa ano ko sa bibig. La guys, we found ako parang Asian shop siya. Meron silang Cerelac and Nido.
That'll be soy sauce and vinegar.
Yeah, that one. That one that I see in Bolton. Oh, in you know, market. Tingnan nyo guys, ayan yung kinuha namin ni Sean, 45. Tapos isang tray na lamb, which is 20 pound. Para ma-share namin sa mami niya. Oh, parang fresh. Finally, I can see Yuki's warm!
The cold cheese.
Ka-warm-warm na finally. After 1 week here in Yuki, I can feel it warm. Are you joking, Yuki? Thank you to my husband kasi dami naming nabili doon sa market, which is it's very far better here in Bari, you know. Grabe, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon guys. Parang I feel like I'm in the Philippines, my love.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, finally. I've been a week here and this is just like I appreciate the weather here today. It's fresh. Uwi na kami guys. Ang dami naming nabili. Tapos gusto ni Shun kumain sa labas. Ano ba yan? I didn't just do it, my love. So I always forget the seatbelt guys. Lagi akong nakalimutan. My husband will gonna be in trouble. Oh my God. Kakabalik lang namin dito guys. Mission. What coffee you want? Oh, from the Philippines. Okay ako dito sa tatlo. Tapos nakabili kami ng oil din doon sa market. Tapos dato puti na suka at tuyo. Yeah, so it's gonna go out of date again. Ano siya ng suka at tuyo. Yeah! Happy! And then, look at our spinach. Beans.
Fridge.
Strawberry.
Fridge.
Broccoli.
Fridge.
Tapos yung carrots namin. Maraming carrots.
Fridge.
Isang malaking bombay na white and red. What's this, love?
What is it?
Yung ginger at saka yung ahos din. Hindi. Put it here.
Yeah, put that.
Yeah. Tapos yung baby potatoes.
Pop.
Yung baby potatoes dito.
I'm getting the beans.
Meron kaming premium black bacon. Tapos yung pork chop. 4.
Is it 4, yeah?
Yeah, 4 pieces guys. Yung pang burger. This is the breast, I think.
Oh my God. Fish in the fridge.
And then 2 stick.
Right.
Another stick here, babs.
So,
Ang dami guys, for 45 pounds. Meron pa dito guys, marami.
I think it was 4. You should only got 2.
It's different, I think. What is this?
Give you gammon as well.
Yeah, gammon. Hala. He asked for a bacon and then he
Yeah,
gave
he said
gammon.
gammon or bacon. He'd give you gammon as well.
Oh my God.
Right, so they want.
I'm gonna put this on the other bag.
Yeah, so put them in
Yeah,
the sink.
no, the chicken,
Because they
salt
want-
and pepper.
Yeah, salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Chicken.
Salt and pepper chicken. Paborito ni Sean, drumstick. Is it still drumstick yan?
Yeah.
Meatballs, yeah, meatballs. Dami siyang meatballs. This one, what is this with the stick?
Yeah, then the kebabs.
Kebabs. I think mga 5 pieces you guys. And then the pork.
Sausages.
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 Sausages. What is this? Hala, another chicken.
More chicken.
More chicken. We have a lot of chicken, love. And
More kebab.
more
Yeah,
kebabs.
he did us loads of kebabs, but he did us mixed kebabs. That's mince.
Mince.
Yeah, that's mince.
Ah, that's the mince. Wow. We're gonna
So we can make bolognese.
yeah.
Spaghetti bolognese. This one.
Bolognese. And the chicken,
And
breast
that's
chicken.
breast. So
That's
that
a lot.
That's a lot.
Ang dami, guys. So, para kaming ano nito, mag-fiesta. It's like we're having fiesta. I will try the strawberry, the big one. Oh my god, before you pinch it. We have a lot of food. Pero si Sean, gusto ng pizza. That's a lot of fries? Wow. Wow, that's very, very spicy. Galing kami sa Domino's. Nag-order na. Hindi na dinala yung kanyang cash lang yung dala ko. Hindi pala pwede sa Domino's yung cash. Card lang. We end up getting sa Sorrento.
Yeah.
Sorrento. Wow.
Is it nice?
No more takeaway. Okay guys, ito na lang muna kasi kakain muna kami ni Shun. Bye muna guys, kakain kami. Bye babe. Enjoy your pizza love. Bye. Thank you for watching.